Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss why your pressure washer isn't starting and how to fix it easily. Watch the video until the end to learn this and much more. Here are the reasons why this happens and possible solutions. Old or stale fuel. If fuel has stayed in your pressure washer for more than 6 months, it oxidizes and becomes contaminated, losing its octane and volatility. This makes it incombustible, preventing your pressure washer from starting. Drain the contaminated fuel and then use a carburetor cleaner to clean the fuel tank. Fill the tank with new fuel and open the fuel valve. You can also use gasoline stabilizers to keep the fuel fresh. A clogged air filter. A clogged air filter restricts the airflow in your pressure washer's engine, causing issues with starting the pressure washer. Simply remove the air filter and clean any dirt or old fuel clogging the surface. You can also use a carburetor cleaner to clear the carburetor of any built-up dirt and grime. A faulty ignition coil. A faulty ignition coil means there's no spark to ignite the fuel in your pressure washer's engine, preventing the washer from starting. Seek professional help to check if the ignition coil is faulty and replace it accordingly. So, there you have it. These are some ways you can fix a pressure washer that's not starting. Thanks for watching. Till next time.